Hi guys, welcome back to part 3 of how I prepare my frontals featuring AliExpress Tinashe Hair. So I really wanted to do a series of how I prepare my wigs, and I wanted to really break it down step by step on each step so that beginners can really understand and really get the whole process, because I know when I first started making wigs it was very challenging at first and I didn't really know where to begin. So I learned this method from a YouTuber here on YouTube. I forgot her name, but I'll leave a link in the description box below. And all I'm doing at this moment is measuring my lace frontal. So I'm taking off about 2 to 3 inches from each side. This method does leave the frontal shedding at the end. However, you can spray I think it's called a fabric spray on once you cut it, and that will help to stop the shedding or reduce the shedding. And the reason why I'm cutting off 2 to 3 inches at each side is because it helps me to better fit the frontal on my head, because I have a small head. It helps me to not have to glue down my frontals, because I don't really want to do that. I can understand for special occasions, but not on an everyday basis. And it just allows the frontal to fit better. One day I will master the frontal without cutting off the edges, but for now this is how I prepare my frontals. So I just try to be careful so I don't cut into the hair. What I really should have done is part the hair first. Spray some water, part the hair, section it off, and then cut. Because I did actually make a little mistake and cut some of the hair, and I didn't, you have to sew it in a way to disguise it afterwards. That's what I had to do. So I'm just showing you how much I've cut, how much I've taken off, and how much shed hair has come out so far. Again, you can use fabric glue or fabric spray, I believe it's called, and that will stop the shedding. And I'm just going back and measuring again, and my frontal now comes up to 10 inches. All the information for this hair will be left down in the description.